Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we focus on helping parents support children with learning difficulties through tips, strategies, and real talk. If you find our content helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon. It really helps the YouTube algorithm reach more parents who may need guidance on supporting their children with learning difficulties. Thanks for being here. Now, let's dive into today's video. How Notion can help you manage ADHD. Living with ADHD often means juggling dozens of thoughts, tasks, and reminders, sometimes all at once. You might start your day with the best intentions, only to get sidetracked by an idea, distracted by a notification, or overwhelmed by a growing list of to-dos. It's not that you're not trying, it's that your brain works differently. And that's where the right tools can make a real difference. What is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can take notes, create task lists, manage projects, store information, and track habits, all in one place. Notion isn't just another productivity app. It's a flexible, customizable digital workspace that allows you to design systems that align with how your brain functions. Whether you need a space to offload racing thoughts, track daily routines, or manage projects in a more visual and structured way, Notion can be adapted to fit your needs. Let's take a closer look at how Notion supports some of the most common ADHD challenges and how you can use it to make your daily life more manageable. Key features of Notion that support ADHD. First, daily dashboards. Create a personalized dashboard with only what you need to see each day. This could include your top priorities, a simple calendar, habit tracker, or space for jotting down thoughts. Second, task and project management. Notion lets you organize tasks in various views, like lists, boards, or calendars, so you can choose the style that feels most intuitive to you. Third, brain dump pages. ADHD often means racing thoughts. A brain dump page gives you a dedicated space to offload ideas, worries, or to-dos. You can sort through them later. Fourth, visual organization. Use headings, emojis, color coding, and toggles to break up information and reduce overwhelm. Next, linked databases. Keep notes, tasks, and resources connected. For example, link a task to a meeting note or to a relevant article you saved. How it helps ADHD challenges. Notion can be a powerful ally for people with ADHD because it supports the way neurodivergent brains process information and organize tasks. One major challenge is time blindness, the difficulty in sensing the passing of time or estimating how long tasks take. Notion can help by breaking the day into visual, structured time blocks using a daily planner. For instance, setting up a Today page with morning, midday, and evening sections helps you visualize time more concretely, supporting your brain in understanding the passage of time and staying on track. Another common struggle is forgetfulness. With Notion, you can create recurring checklists or routine templates that you duplicate each day. A simple morning routine page might include items like take medication, check calendar, and review top 3 tasks. Having these steps ready in one place each morning reduces mental load and keeps things on track. ADHD can also come with feelings of overwhelm, especially when faced with too much information. Notion's toggle feature allows you to collapse and hide sections, so you only see what you need when you need it. For example, in a project page, you might group related items under toggles like meeting notes, research links, and action items. You can then focus on just one area at a time. Finally, lack of motivation can be a hurdle, especially for longer or complex tasks. Notion allows you to visualize your progress, which can be incredibly motivating. You might add progress bars to big goals such as Phase 1, 60% complete, or create a weekly wins gallery where you log completed milestones like did 3 Pomodoros in a row or finished reading Module 2. These visual cues can provide a sense of accomplishment and help build momentum. By designing a workspace that works with your brain rather than against it, Notion can help reduce friction, support executive functioning, and bring more clarity and ease into your day. Ultimately, managing ADHD isn't about forcing yourself to fit into rigid systems. It's about finding tools that adapt to you. Notion's customizable features allow you to build routines, capture thoughts, and visualize progress in a way that feels natural and intuitive. Whether you're a student juggling assignments, a professional managing projects, or simply someone trying to stay on top of everyday life, Notion can become a reliable external structure that holds your ideas when your mind is racing. Start small. Make it yours. Let it evolve. With time and consistent use, Notion can go from just another app to an essential part of how you manage your ADHD, calmly, clearly, and on your own terms. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For further questions and inquiries, you may contact us at 6564-6533 or 8614-7651, or visit www.cognitive.com.sg.